Hello. Today let's talk about room attendant's trolley, which is also known as maid's cart and chambermaid trolley. So this trolley is basically a manual equipment. This comes under a container category, and this is the biggest container which is used by the housekeeping department. This equipment is very important for room attendant, basically used by room attendant. All the necessary things which room attendant needs while cleaning the room is kept in this trolley. All the linens like bed sheet, pillow cover, towel, blanket, etc. All the room supplies like pen, notepad, A4 size papers. Then we have tent cards. All these things are kept over there. Then all the bathroom supplies, whatever we keep in a bathroom, soap, shampoo, moisturizer, conditioner, earbud, etc. All these things are kept in a trolley. This trolley also has two bags. In one bag we put all the soil linen which is removed from the room is put inside this bag, and in another bag we basically put all the garbages which is removed from the room. So whenever room attendants cleans the room, they need to carry this trolley. This trolley has to be kept in front of the door of the room which is going to be cleaned. So this is a manual equipment, but this equipment is a very important piece of equipment for room attendant. Without this equipment, it would be very difficult for room attendant to do their tasks. So this equipment increase the efficiency of work. The room attendant doesn't need to go to the pantry each and every time to bring the linens, to bring the room supplies, even to bring the cleaning agents. Even the cleaning agents are also kept in this trolley in the hand carry. So it saves the time of room attendant, and because everything is kept in a trolley, they don't need to carry, they don't need to hold such a heavy weight of linen. So everything is carried by the trolley, so it becomes easy for them to do their tasks. They become less tired and they save their time also. So room attendant trolley is just an equipment, but a very important equipment.